Step into the future with mega technology. We're here to showcase the remarkable world of heavy equipment, ingenious inventions, and the forefront of modern technology. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a powerful machine with excellent maneuverability. K-Tech's lowest cost to install ADT scraper provides high productivity on small, heavy-duty construction sites. The all-welded rigid frame model 1228 ADT has a 28 cubic yard payload capacity, which is highly impressive. The 1228 ADT is an attractive choice for contractors who have older or idle ADTs in their fleet with 25 to 35 ton capacities that can be converted into efficient and versatile scraper dump trucks. The Maston Brioc 4020 drainage plow is the largest investment ever made by Farm Services Limited in its 75-year history, and it represents the future of the company. It is one of the unique and modern drainage machines in Europe. It is custom built to customer specifications and weighs 32 tons on a 31.5-inch wide, 21-foot-long tracks. The machine installs plastic drainage pipes with diameters of 2.3, 3.15, 3.9, and 6.3 inches to a depth of 71 inches. The technique has a Volvo Penta TAD 1372VE fourth-stage diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The CMI Trashmaster Model TM11 landfill compactor builds on a proven heritage, first developed by Rexworks and now refined in the latest model line. Its unique wheel configuration, rugged construction, and reliability has enabled all waste management operations to achieve the highest production efficiency and maximize landfill life. The TM11 is built for everyday operation in the most demanding environments, from its ease of maintenance to its heavy-duty mainframe, wheels, and dozer blade, unrivaled all-around visibility, and ergonomic operator cab. The semi-U-shaped blade guides most materials to the center, then under the blade, and the TM11's 4 steel washer wheels with independent drive and hydrostatic drive. In the world of mining, few things can compare to the grandeur and power of the Liber R9800 and R9600. These excavators are true titans among ground-moving machines. Imagine the R9800 at work, with its weight of 800 tons and a bucket volume of up to 47 cubic yards, capable of lifting up to 90 tons of rock in one go. Next to it, its younger brother, the R9600, weighing 675 tons and with a bucket volume of up to 42 cubic yards, also does not lag in performance. Imagine the power of a crawler tractor pulling a knife roller, turning agricultural fields into perfectly prepared plots for the next sowing. This duo, the tractor and roller, moves synchronously across the field, processing the soil and shredding plant residues. The massive blades of the roller easily handle any obstacles, turning them into fine mulch ready for further processing. With such an assistant, your work in the field becomes not only productive, but also spectacular. When it's time for some rock and roll on a construction site, Echidna from Stavroplast KL picks up a guitar, circular saw, and starts his rock-cutting show. This instrument is simply made for heavy rock compositions. It turns the toughest rock into manageable blocks ready for further processing. The Echidna's powerful blades penetrate into the heart of the rock, leaving only neatly spliced pieces behind. Want to see how it works? Just press play and enjoy. The SLJ series machine of Beijing Wild Joint Machinery Company, also known as Iron Monster, has become a step forward in bridge construction. It not only accelerates construction processes, but it also saves costs and resources. This monster can lift, carry, and install prefabricated bridge sections at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour without wasting time on assembly. The machine is about 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. However, this is a plus for the bridges because when they are designed by architects, they are given additional resources to withstand, such as load. However, this machine has a significant disadvantage. Its service life is limited to only 4 years. According to technological documentation, the Iron Monster can withstand the laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which is approximately equal to 4 years of fruitful work. You see the All-John's heaviest model with up to 127,000 pounds that can efficiently handle and compact up to 1,275 tons of trash and debris per day. We can safely say that this equipment has the highest horsepower and horsepower by class compared to competitor models. This power, by the way, is about 550 horses, and here are several possible configurations of wheels and spikes, make it possible to use the machine for various applications. Moreover, such a mid-size unit has exclusive I-beam wheels, 10-inch tires, and hydrostatic transmission design instead of competitors' load-shifting gearbox. The front loader Caterpillar CAT 994 is one of the largest loaders in the world. It is designed to work with dump trucks with payload capacity of 150, 200, and 250 tons. The curb weight of this monster of special equipment is 239 tons. The machine is equipped with a well-proven turbocharged diesel engine, CAT 3516E, with a total capacity of 1,847 horsepower. During development, great attention was paid by the manufacturer to reducing operating expenses. The engine's advanced air filter design provides triple the engine life, and the oil change period is extended by 500 engine hours. All of the truck's lighting fixtures utilize longer-lasting and more economical LEDs. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. With 535 horsepower and a 55-ton operating weight, the Caterpillar Model E36K landfill compactor delivers the highest level of reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and efficiency in its class. As a representative of a family of machine that has been performing work on landfills for more than 20 years, this model is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. Now, let's take a look at the 4045 T-Series chain trencher from Interdrain in action. This is a mighty machine indeed, and it can easily handle such a task as laying a 15-inch Clark Farm drainage flexible agricultural slab. As you can see from the footage, nothing is impossible for the technological giant. The machine is also equipped with GPS auto grading, which is a huge advantage in this kind of work. Now you can see for yourself that the ideal tool for trenchless drainage, a method in which work is carried out without the need to dig a trench, is the Van Dam Drainage Chain Excavator. The manufacturer of this equipment has specialized in the installation of drainage pipes since 1972 and is definitely the best in the field. The drainage is applied with a V-shaped plow that does little or no damage and does not mix the soil. The maximum depth that can be achieved with this method is 70 inches. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. Their new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches, and it has a Volvo Penta 4th-stage diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. You see the All-Cons EC6000 series combination machine. This oversized unit is a bucket chain trimmer and pivot liner combined into one machine, with the ability to excavate and pave asphalt at the same time. It can be used to perform precise and high-volume channel lining to reduce concrete loss as well as continuous lining of canal and river beds. This mobile working platform with diesel-electric generator for decentralized power supply is more precise than standard excavators. When a snowstorm approaches, the Overossen TV1000 is your perfect partner for battling blizzards. This powerful snow-clearing tractor with a 10-foot working width and a 500 horsepower engine can easily handle any amount of snow. With adjustable angles and heights of the blade, it easily tackles even the most stubborn snow layer. The automatic heating system and anti-corrosion coating ensure uninterrupted operation in any condition. Winter won't scare you anymore. If you thought you'd seen it all, look at the Grab Dredger Go Show with its gigantic 200 cubic bucket. This monster of dragline technology can absorb volumes that would make any other excavator faint. Want to dismantle entire beaches or lift large amounts of dirt? Go Show will handle it as if it has paddles instead of teeth. Sweden takes a step forward with the Mansinnen 120 dual power at the Orstrand pulp mill, the world's first dual power concept. Engbergs became the first customer to receive this innovative track unit. The mill's decision to double production required a serious logistics upgrade, and the results speak for itself. By the way, the Mansinnen 120 dual power combines two advantages: reduced emissions and lower costs, an ideal combination. In just 1 week, the company lifted 23,000 tons, mostly using an electric motor, achieving an average productivity of 435 tons per hour. Get ready for a true revolution on the construction site with the Dappen Screening Bucket. This sorting bucket is a true master in separating the necessary materials. Powerful hydraulic drives with a wear-resistant design make it an indispensable assistant in any condition. The Dappen Screening Bucket easily handles the separation of soil, stones, and other materials, ensuring maximum productivity and precision. With this bucket, every day on the construction site will be more productive and less labor-intensive, turning complex tasks into simple solutions. You see a giant excavator which takes on the task of dismantling an old building. In its arsenal is the VTN MT20 powerful hydraulic shears with 2 cylinders. They are like huge Terminator jaws, effortlessly cutting through metal and concrete, turning massive structures into a pile of rubble. With each bite of their steel teeth, the walls of this now never-needed structure surrender under the onslaught of strength and precision. And you know, it's not just dismantling, but a true superiority of power and engineering, transforming something old into a new space of possibility. The VMM 310 from SNP Private Limited brings the world into the era of brick automation, becoming the first fully automatic system of its kind. This machine is a true speed champion, producing 12,000 bricks every hour, thanks to its unique ability to move on wheels. It provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, reducing the need for workers and water usage to a minimum. The bricks created by the VMM 310 are not only 3 times stronger than traditional bricks, but also cost 45% less. The machine can work with various raw materials, including clay and fly ash, producing different types of brick and giving owners the freedom to produce anywhere and anytime, opening up new horizons in brickmaking. When a Hitachi ZX225 model USRLC3 excavator went to work on the construction site of a future underground car park in the center of Paris, it was quite a show. The machine doesn't just dig, it's as if it's performing a ballet in a confined space. With its swing arm capable of maneuvering with incredible precision, the Hitachi excavator demonstrates how you can work skillfully and efficiently even in the most challenging conditions. Such a sight makes you forget about the everyday hustle and bustle, and for a moment immerse yourself in the world of highly professional construction equipment. In Tucson, Arizona, an impressive demolition of an old bridge is taking place, carried out by huge tracked vehicles with hydraulic shears. This process not only demonstrates the power of modern construction equipment, but also highlights the complexity and importance of their work in preparing the site for the new bridge. Let's face it, friends, watching massive machines carefully and systematically dismantle a structure is mesmerizing and evocative of the eternal cycle of destruction and creation, making it ideal for understanding the scale and significance of engineering and construction projects. Kobelco took demolition to a new level with the 10E Series SK1300 DLC when it launched the world in 2022. And now, as you can see, this huge machine is playing a key role in the redevelopment of Rotterdam, transforming an old hospital into a place for knowledge and innovation. Designed for ease of logistics and outstanding performance from up to 131.2 feet, this 130-ton behemoth has unique features, from a redesigned arm with dismounting capabilities to a modular frame design and an innovative cab with left-hand closure. So what we have here is not just a demolition machine, but a true marvel of the future designed to change urban landscapes. The Bacchus A38 represents the culmination of innovative developments in the field of ecological engineering, being an advanced extension of the Bacchus A36. This triangular windrow tedder is particularly effective in areas requiring maximum precision and productivity, such as composting green waste or remediating contaminated land. The machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art Cummins engine compliant with a Tier 5 emissions standard, ensuring environmentally friendly operation even in the most demanding conditions. With a track drive available in 3 variations, including rubber and steel tracks, the Bacchus A38 adapts to different types of surfaces, offering optimal traction and durability depending on the configuration chosen. Discover Tree Crusher highlights, where old 16mm film comes to life, presenting Tree Crusher, the masterful work of engineer R.G. Letourneau. Filmed in the 1950s, this footage captures moments of testing one of the first of its kind tree crushing machines, a machine designed to overcome the toughest challenges in logging. It demonstrates the amazing power and foresight of technological innovation. Who says excavators have to be boring? At home exhibition Menzie Muck 2024 will present not just a machine, but a true multi-terrain performer. Able to adapt to any terrain thanks to its unique articulated design, the Menzie Muck turns ordinary digging into a real show. Expect to see him dancing on slopes and juggling buckets like a pro. With his help, laying pipes or digging a foundation on uneven terrain is as easy as lifting a cup of coffee. The Cenoboggan crane, with its massive extendable boom, lifts debris weighing up to 80 tons with astonishing accuracy. Every movement is deliberate, placing each piece exactly where it belongs, a performance that feels more like an art form than heavy lifting. CBI's Magnum Force 5800 is a mid-size lifting unit designed for contractors working with smaller production needs or transportation limitations. The design and dimensions of the offset spiral rotor, stop, and screen remain the same as the Model 6800 to maintain a high level of grinding performance. However, the rotor width of the Model 5800 is reduced to produce a machine with an overall width of less than 8 feet 6 inches, 2.55 meters, and a weight of 64,850 pounds. The entire machine system is controlled by CBI IntelliGrind logic, which includes a variable feed rate that automatically adjusts to motor load, and an optional modem communication system that provides real-time system diagnostics. The CAT AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. Self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with 4,850 liters drums, equipped with modern force sensors electronic scales, an easy-to-handle and highly accurate system to produce the required mix composition. The CarMix 3500 TC is equipped with a comfortable new cab, able to guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC concrete mixer is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the mix composition, slump volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of that very mix. DT30PM Vitgas is a 2-link tracked all-terrain vehicle with armored protection of the crew compartment. This vehicle is designed for transportation of personnel, military, and technical equipment, transportation of military equipment in particularly difficult road and climatic conditions without any preliminary reconnaissance, and engineering equipment of routes, as well as a base for installation of weapons. The power plant of the vehicle is located on the first link behind the cab. The engine is a 12-cylinder multi-fuel B46 diesel engine. From the engine, the torque is transmitted via a cart-in shaft to the hydromechanical transmission, and then to the bevel and onboard gearboxes and drive wheels of both links. The mesmerizing roar of the Bigfoot 5 engine heralds its powerful entry. This truck is not just big, it is a giant among machines. The tallest in the world, it inspires fear and admiration wherever it appears. Get ready to see it conquer roads, leaving only awestruck gazes behind. With every movement, Bigfoot 5 demonstrates that the impossible is possible. At the 2015 Customer Days at the Liber plant in Ingen, Germany, an impressive arsenal of new crawler cranes was presented. Among the stars of the show were the LR 11350, LTR 1060, LR 1600-2, and LTR 1220. These cranes are true giants in their class, capable of carrying out the most complex and extensive lifting jobs. For example, the LR 11350, one of the most powerful cranes in the world, can lift loads weighing up to 1,350 tons. From the compact but powerful LTR 1060, designed for work in tight environments, to the LR 1600-2, optimized for heavy loads in the wind industry, each model demonstrates the innovative technology and engineering excellence you expect from Liber. The trencher is a 3-row machine that can dig up to 4 feet deep and 12 inches wide. It operates using a rotary digging method. Powerful rotating blades quickly cut through the soil and move it aside. The operator sets the desired depth and width, and then the machine begins to move, creating clean and precise trenches. The remove floating pontoons, which can adjust in width, provide enhanced mobility in wetlands, shallow waters, and coastal regions. The robust hydraulic bucket effortlessly handles tasks like bank clearing, dredging, and managing utility lines. With stabilization and precision, this machine maintains stability and control even during demanding operations. A mobile brick-making machine that produces building materials directly on site. Raw materials are loaded into a drum where they are mixed and compressed. The blocks are then neatly arranged on the surface. All that's needed to operate it is a power source. When the Komatsu PC8000 sets off for a construction site, it's nothing short of a spectacle. This gigantic excavator, nearly 710 tons in weight, sits steadily atop a low-bed trailer provided by Mammoet. The process is executed with care, loading, securing, and carefully verifying every connection. Then the slow but steady journey begins. Bridges, slopes, and sharp corners are tackled with flawless precision, showcasing Mammoet's experience in handling these colossal machines. The EMU crane at the port operates with the precision of a Swiss watch, efficiently loading logs into cargo holds. Its exceptional maneuverability allows it to handle trees weighing up to 20 tons in tight spaces, placing each piece perfectly as if sorting a puzzle. The Tiger Cat with the M36 bracket ensures every inch of terrain is covered with precision. The cultivator glides through the forest with ease, felling trees, clearing shrubs, and controlling each step of the process. The result, a perfectly cleared and ready-to-use site. The rotary excavator before you is a feat of engineering, slicing through mountain layers as effortlessly as butter. Its enormous bucket wheel carves through the earth with precision, exposing valuable mineral layers in its wake. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. Sandvik's clever ejector box design is designed for smooth and efficient unloading underground and low-height tunnels. Designed to perfection, the battery electric tipper's design elements provide increased reliability and safer ejection on uneven ground. The ejector box is available as an option for a wide range of Sandvik underground dump truck models, so all you have to do is choose the right model for you. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and Level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. DFM feller buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. ChemRock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rocks. ChemRock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rock up to 120 megapascal and reinforced concrete. Thanks to the two high-torque motors, high-performance figures are achieved. Interestingly, the DMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The TII Surelay is a state-of-the-art and unique blade transport system that allows you to safely and economically transport bulky loads to their destination. The combination with a trailer unit is ideal for transporting heavy and very long propeller blades. The system consists of a 2-axle Jeep wagon, a freewheel unit with root adapter, plus a 4-axle trailer as a trailing unit or an optionally available freewheel unit directly coupled to the tractor, as well as a trailing unit. The Manitowoc 18,000 is capable of lifting loads of up to 750 tons, thanks to the Maxer counterweight, which demonstrates an optimal balance of reliability and mobility, and is characterized by a high lifting capacity and rather compact dimensions for a machine of its class. A wide range of maneuvering and stationary jibs, sections, and boom heads allows this machine to solve many tasks in modern construction. ChemRock's range of transportation solutions is as broad as the range of applications in the steel industry. Whatever your transportation task, ChemRock has the right vehicle for you. A vehicle that will prove its worth under the most demanding conditions. Extreme conditions, slag with temperatures up to 1,300 degrees, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk loads several meters long, red-hot slabs, or coils weighing tons. ChemRock can cope with any task. For example, the machine in front of you is designed to minimize the risk of accidents at work. See for yourself how it works. ChemRock KSI is a Shockham injection attachment for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. The KSI injection attachment range was developed in cooperation with a German specialized civil engineering company and is the basis of the Shockham process. The Shockham process is a soil stabilization system using excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, KSI, which, when cured, create a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. The Senebogen 640E duty cycle crane has been specially designed for particularly demanding and dynamic work with a wide range of attachments. Thanks to its robust design, the strengths of the 40-ton machine really come into play when building special foundations. Whether it is used with a leader, rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive of the duty cycle crane mean that its capabilities are unlimited. This equipment can be used for logistical tasks and various construction jobs, all thanks to its mobile undercarriage with a 69-foot-long lattice boom. You are about to see how Maxwild specialists, together with their construction equipment, demolished a dilapidated bridge on the A7 highway over the River Iller in Germany. The bridge, 197 feet long and 62 feet wide, was stressed across and along with extra strong pre-stressed steel. The team utilized 9 excavators at once with various attachments including a shredder, demolition and scrap shears, a sorting grapple, and a hydraulic chisel. Also utilized were 2 Maxwild wheel loaders, a telehandler, a sweeper, and various trucks. The ARC Astra Rail Cropper is a revolutionary tool for working with railway tracks. It is designed to ease and speed up the process of cutting rails, offering high precision and minimal effort. Thanks to its powerful hydraulic system, each cut is made quickly and without undue stress on the material. This unit not only saves your time, but also ensures workplace safety, making each operation more controlled and less labor-intensive. The Astra Rail Cropper is your reliable partner in railway projects. Imagine the complete dredging cycle from United Dredging, a true symphony of engineering artistry. The machines start with precise milling and soil extraction, perfecting every movement. With up to 24,000 kilowatts of power, they can remove and move up to 5 million gallons of water and soil per hour. These technical titans turn tough soil into light sand and gravel ready for use. Want to see how hard work turns into art? The Etnar Chip Spreader is a true master of road surface laying. This powerful machine evenly distributes gravel or other materials along the road, turning it into an ideal canvas for asphalting. With high performance and precision, the chip spreader can cover wide sections with excellent material distribution quality. Thanks to its reliable construction and ease of operation, this machine is ideal for large road projects and pavement repairs. Ever seen a 70-ton caterpillar on the move? Brace yourself for a show. The steel behemoth guides down the road on a powerful platform, every maneuver executed with the finesse of a master chess player. The Fortescue electric excavator combines silence with strength, effortlessly loading dump trucks with tons of soil and ore while producing zero emissions or noise. Its precision-engineered electric motor powers a 4-yard bucket that operates with unmatched accuracy, making it ideal for environmentally sensitive projects. The Tiger Cat Clam Bunk Skidder reigns supreme over challenging landscapes. Equipped with a powerful grapple, all-wheel drive transmission, and high-pressure tires, it handles massive log loads with ease. Whether navigating swamps or ravines, this skidder thrives where others falter. This type of sweeper from Verizon is the leading machine in the runway sweeper product group. The RS400 is designed for maximum power and performance. It offers impressive functionality, high reliability, and minimal operating expenses. RS400s can be found at many of the world's major airports. They set the standard when it comes to optimizing snow removal fleets in terms of number of machines and cleaning efficiency. It is in the public interest to have a safe network of roads and paths. Nowadays, however, the environment and unspoiled nature are increasingly coming to the fore. Only the right machines, the optimum method, and a measured use of resources can ensure safety here. The best machine for such specific purposes is the LKW Bagger. It is suitable for all types of work, such as ditching and roadside control, highway and median strip clearing, working in narrow areas. From now on, shoulders up to 2 meters wide and up to 10 centimeters below the edge of the road can be milled in one operation. Fences, super rails, and other vehicle restraint systems are no longer an obstacle. Overall, this provides an even more efficient and faster way of working. Just take a look at this fully automatic BMM 410 brick-making machine from SNPC Machines. An ideal brick-making machine with various features and best price compared to other equipment. This fully automatic mobile machine produces bricks and moves on wheels like a car. Such machinery produces brick more than 3 times faster as compared to manual production. The machine produces top-quality bricks with low water consumption, so it is considered eco-friendly. The best mobile brick-making machines like BMM 160, BMM 410, BMM 310, which produce bricks according to their capacity, are also featured in the video. The Lagoon Crawler features a brand new remote control system with an integrated screen. The new controls allow users to maintain optimal functionality of the crawler as well as control the new improved GPS mode. Proportional control with the new belly pack crawler robot provides detailed control through feedback mechanisms. The ability to efficiently and accurately control the crawler makes the mixing process safer and more reliable. With 4,000 psi pressure, this system delivers insane torque to the wheel drives. An upgraded intelligent traction control system prevents wheel lockup by directing more oil to the right wheel. This allows the crawler to get out of steeper potholes than previous models. The CX750D is the only excavator in its class to offer selective catalytic reduction (SCR) and diesel oxidation catalyst (DOC) technologies. What does this mean for you? No fuel overruns or extra downtime with regeneration cycles, no particulate fixtures to replace, just high-performance Tier 4 final compliance systems that won't slow you down. Even the hydraulics help save fuel with Case's exclusive intelligent hydraulic system, which actively manages hydraulic power during lift, dump, and digging turning. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is portable and designed to split off-road tires (OTR) in 2 halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can handle various tire sizes, from 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width, up to and including 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. A blade is used to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller (PLC) controls the tire rotation and the punching process, allowing the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and run it. Meet the Chemrock EX60 HD Planner, a true artist among planners, turning your excavator into a microscopically precise sculptor. This master doesn't just mill, he creates art on asphalt and concrete. With enough power to make Michelangelo himself jealous, this baby can leave surfaces smooth as glass. Want to turn an old road into a real boulevard or strip the old coating from walls? The Chemrock EX60 HD with its milling width of 23.6 inches will do it in no time. Get ready for a masterclass in peat harvesting from the superloader Meripede HK 16.5, accompanied by TRL 30F trailers. This is not just machinery, but a real choreography on a peat field. With the HK 16.5 equipped with a powerful manipulator and capable of taking up to 16.5 tons of peat at once, and TRL 30F trailers ready to accommodate all this well, peat harvesting turns into a truly efficient show. These machines work in sync, impressing with their ability to process natural resources with unprecedented ease and precision. Behind the scenes of construction on Parkland and Vehil, Bodum Bow presents its new promo film, highlighting the unique Cutter soil mix technology. This video not only shows the construction, but inspires new feats in soil strengthening. Featuring advanced equipment and the craftsmanship of engineers, the Bodum Bow film details the process of creating durable soil walls that ensure the longevity and safety of future structures. How can you make shredding branches not only efficient, but also comfortable? The HEM 593R Cobra offers the solution. This machine easily handles brush and wood up to 22 inches, making it the perfect choice for large jobs in the most challenging conditions. What makes the Cobra unique is its automatic transmission, which allows you to move forward without stopping, and the easy to-control system, which makes every action intuitive. Thanks to the centrifugal fan, the overload becomes even on either side. Plus, optional extras including professional tools and the Easy Light lighting system takes ease of use to a new level. Sandvik introduces the next generation of Ranger DXi series drilling machines for a wide range of hole sizes from 3 to 5.5 inches. Now you have a new fully optimized drilling system based on the expanded and powerful RT900 family of drills, and complemented by all new unique CT55 and CT67 curved-threaded tools. In addition, the user gets unrivaled coverage, advanced automation, and connectivity options. Ready for a show on the sand? Here comes the Prinoth Panther T14R, the hero of beach restoration. This tracked monster doesn't just transport sand, it turns the entire beach restoration process upside down. With its rotating platform and tracks seemingly made for soft sand, the T14R shows that power and flexibility can go hand in hand. A powerful engine? Of course! What machine can be without it? Plus, its unique 360-degree turning ability allows for precise unloading exactly where you want it. Moving ultra-heavy equipment weighing about 242 tons over 220 yards in 7 evenings? For Belmar's Yankee Dryer, this was possibly thanks to the company's precisely planned logistics and very advanced transportation technology. This example clearly demonstrates how advanced solutions can simplify complex tasks, reducing costs and delivery times, while ensuring absolute safety for valuable cargo at every step of a very long journey. Indeed, the Movax SG is a true wizard in the world of pile driving. This powerful pile driver is ready to transform your job site with unprecedented precision and speed. The Movax SG is equipped with unique control technology that allows the operator to manipulate the piles with surgical precision while minimizing vibration and noise. You can install or remove piles in even the most inaccessible areas without additional equipment. To think it's just one machine that takes care of all the hard work. Meet the next generation of backhoe screeners, the Menzimuck M545 with screening bucket. The bucket doesn't just work, it works wonders of sorting right on your property. Want to get rid of rocks in the ground or sort soil for planting? No problem at all. The Menzimuck M545 does it quickly and efficiently thanks to its high-performance screen system. Forget about manual labor and lengthy preparation processes. You won't believe your eyes at how easily and quickly you can achieve the perfect result. But the fact remains. The legendary Scales tractor chain is back, transporting a 431.7-ton gas turbine. Watch in awe as this technological titan handles turns with flawless precision, leaving viewers captivated. The Liber Heavy Rotary Drilling Rig LB44 has a very compact design that allows for low-cost transportation and quick site preparation. The rig is equipped with a powerful diesel unit with low fuel consumption and reduced emissions. This machine, together with the hydraulic system, and easy-to-maintain drilling drive, is designed for continuous operation. In addition, it offers a high speed of drilling cycles, which is also a definite plus. Noon Industries decided to enter the market a winner, so they set out to build their most advanced manure spreaders, which can carry 71,000 to 80,000 pounds of manure at a time. Their new Electra-Steer tank is designed to meet the high demands of professional manure spreaders and leading livestock producers. It is a cross-flow system that features a built-in vacuum pump for loading and efficient discharge of manure with a high-volume pump. The machine can handle heavy loads at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, as well as the need to work on muddy fields, stubble, pastures, gravel, and sidewalks, all of which require a rugged machine with versatile capabilities. The new 995F is a big, rugged machine with high productivity, reliability, safety, and operator comfort. Whatever the job, our new 995F will work smarter and harder and longer doing the job. From stripping overburden to creating access roads, from mining operations to extraction, demolition, and material handling, and end-of-life site reclamation. No matter the task at hand, the 995F gets the job done shift after shift. The machine also features greater digging force, shorter cycle times, and better fuel economy. It is built with the widest possible range of attachments, including hammers and rock buckets. The new 995F delivers versatile productivity and maximum return on investment. In winter, the port of Cotlas comes alive thanks to the work of the Icebreaker Portum. This powerful machine can break through ice blockages, ensuring uninterrupted vessel movement in the port. With its reinforced hull and sharp cutting equipment, the Portum overcomes multi-meter ice thickness. This is not only a technical spectacle, but a necessity for maintaining economic activity in the region, even in the harshest frosts. The Swatovid EW25 M1 excavator, with its powerful engine and sturdy construction, can dig, excavate, and move loads with amazing ease and precision. And don't forget its maneuverability. Thanks to the Kamaz chassis, the EW25 M1 easily moves on the toughest terrain. Here's a workhorse that isn't afraid of dirt and hard work. Just watch it in action. Have you ever seen how real giants move? No, not dinosaurs, but real sea giants. And the port of Houston, deep south, took on the heroic task. Imagine 3 huge ship parts, the heaviest of which weighs an incredible 1,800,000 pounds. Each was carefully loaded onto barges using Shirley-Lace SPMT's 124 axle lines. These marine giants were delivered to the final stage of their journey. And guess what? It's truly the spectacle of the century, where engineering marvels combine with the power of nature. Like a sharpshooter, each Oshkosh vehicle positions its platform precisely with the tracks of the Challenger 2 and Krar RV, lowering the hydraulic ramp to allow the 70-ton machine to carefully ascend. What follows is a demonstration of expert securing. Powerful restraints lock the tank in place like steel arms, ensuring zero movement. The coordinated convoy sets off, with 700 horsepower engines confidently hauling the massive load, navigating highways and rough terrain with ease. Introducing the timber truck giant, Scania R540 from Maus Holzen Transporte. As impressive as its history since 1896, this powerful tractor is equipped with a long wooden body from Fahrzeug Kramer and a blue Powellfinger Epsilon S270L crane that harmoniously complements its style. A tireless helper in the forestry industry, the Scania R540 has a 540 horsepower engine and a torque of 2,700 Newton-meters, allowing it to effortlessly transport large volumes of timber. The crane, with a working moment of 242 kilonewton-meters and a rotational movement of 39 kilonewton-meters at 385 degrees, makes loading and unloading an incredibly easy task. Take a peek behind the scenes of the cement industry, where clay is not only just dirt, but the golden key to building the future. In this video, you will see how technological giants among machines dig deep into the ground, extracting clay like great sculptors molding worlds. These machines are true artists, and the clay mines are their ateliers, where each piece of clay is meticulously extracted and sent into the service of humanity, becoming part of cities, homes, and history. The Weser wind farm, located 130 kilometers north of Eemshaven in the German part of the North Sea, is one of the largest renewable energy projects. With a capacity of 400 milliwatts, the station includes 67 wind turbines installed on sturdy monopile foundations and transition elements. The design, procurement, manufacturing, transportation, and installation of these giant structures were carried out with erosion protection to ensure reliability and durability. The installation process in the open sea conditions was a real challenge, requiring high precision and teamwork. Just look at the power of the Mera Tractor MT7-700 and the Mera Crusher MJHS 311 DTX in action. Here are revolutionary machines that are designed to prepare the land after harvest and before new planting. Equipped with a mechanical power takeoff, the Mera Tractor MT7-700 is an efficient crawler tractor that easily tackles tough conditions where other tractors retreat. Combined with the Mera Crusher MJHS 311 DTX, a powerful mulcher suitable for tractors up to 750 HP, this tandem not only crushes residue and stumps, but also ensures ideal soil preparation. With innovative crushing technology and overload protection, the Mera Crusher delivers unrivaled results, making every operation more efficient and cost-effective. When it comes to transplanting huge trees, the KLR 1800 from Damcom steps in as a true MVP. Now, watch closely on the screen as this wonder machine carefully yet confidently moves green giants with robot balls from 59 to 118 inches. Tired of root balls in the nursery? The KLR 1800 will do this job without breaking a sweat. Oh, and don't worry about the details. This machine does everything for you. Just watch the magic unfold. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. The Avant horizontal cleaver swiftly transforms even the densest wood into uniform logs within seconds. Its robust hydraulic cylinder splits the log fibers with enough force to push a car. How does it operate? The wood is clamped in place and the blades uniform logs. Conver's specialized canal and pond cleaning boat is designed to effectively tackle the issues of overgrowth and vegetation obstructing waterways. With its adaptable cutting system, it carefully trims grass along the water's edge and on slopes where traditional machinery struggles to reach. The robust hydraulic drive ensures a smooth and highly efficient cut. Van Dam Drainaren is a machine designed to efficiently and accurately bury pipes, creating perfect underground water drainage channels. The process is straightforward. First, its sharp blade cuts through the soil, then the hose is placed at the desired depth, and the trench is immediately backfilled. This results in perfectly level drainage systems without unnecessary effort or time. This high-clearance, self-propelled sprayer is built to handle towering corn with ease. A 1,200-gallon tank, 132-foot booms, and laser-controlled height combined with nozzle-level precision to fight mycotoxins before they reach the silage. Independent hydraulics keep it agile, even in tight rows. The Ortomecha Gevelator handles the muscle work so you don't have to. This semi-automatic electric-powered lifter keeps the harvesting pace steady, sparing workers from strain. Because when it comes to radicchio, only a machine with respect for the crop will do. Teamed up with the Menzimuck, the HSMOB operates like a forest surgeon. The robust Seppi mulcher slices trees and brush clean at the roots, turning them into mulch in moments. With a hydraulic drive and excavator-ready design, it tackles steep or remote terrain with ease, leaving the landscape clean and ready for what's next. Holzel presents the XXL Manure Mixer, your new best friend in fermentation. Strongly mixed means well mixed is now your motto, and all thanks to this machine. It is designed for those who are tired of inefficient old methods and are looking to optimize the process. With a reach up to 121 feet and 370-degree coverage, no corner will go untouched. The XXL model ensures that every particle of your manure is thoroughly mixed, providing the perfect environment for microorganisms to thrive and increase gas output. Even when access seems impossible, the XXL mixer will find its way, overcoming obstacles and reaching its target with incredible precision and efficiency. The Vitaspora model puts the grace in leak harvesting. Spinning blades loosen the soil, while robotic arms lift and place each stalk on the conveyor with perfect rhythm. It's less machine, more choreographed performance. This Norden unit isn't just stacking hay, it's engineering order in the field. The bale accumulator gathers and aligns up to 15 bales with flawless precision, reducing time, labor, and fuel. Think of it as your fully automated bale butler. In the summer of 2018, Perkins STC took on an incredible challenge: to transport 7 engines, each weighing 637,000 pounds, over a distance of 61 miles from the port on Michigan's Upper Peninsula. That's like transporting 7 space rockets simultaneously. Can you imagine? The task required a year and a half of planning, including countless route studies, documentation, and approvals from authorities. Just the actual transportation took over 3 weeks. Sounds like a Mission Impossible, right? But thanks to the efforts of many support groups and government agencies, they pulled it off brilliantly. Holt's Nut Wizard is like a magic wand on wheels. Attach it to a mower and it effortlessly collects nuts, acorns, and pine cones. Lightweight, easy to steer, and gentle on grass, it turns what used to be back-breaking work into a breezy stroll. The Kawasaki moves effortlessly, as if gliding on rails, cutting through wide rows with flawless precision. All trimmings neatly fall into the rear hopper, allowing the operator to manage it solo. Its speed, accuracy, and smooth finish make it essential for vegetable fields. KULT performs weed control with surgical precision, but without chemicals. Its mechanical accuracy between and within rows ensures no stray stems are left, creating perfectly clean gaps. Ideal for organic farming and those avoiding herbicides. Looking to torch weeds without touching chemicals? The Envo Dan E-Therm brings the heat, literally. It blasts 1200 degrees Fahrenheit air across the rows, scorching weeds with pinpoint accuracy. Ideal for potatoes and delicate crops where precision is non-negotiable. If you're looking for a true hero to take care of your green spaces, meet the GreenTech LRS 2402. This mulching monster unleashes its power on unruly bushes and branches, cutting them down as easily as if they were no more than lettuce leaves. Thanks to its flexibility and power, the LRS 2402 can handle vegetation up to 12 inches in diameter, making it the perfect choice for those who want to keep nature in check without much effort. Want to feel like the master of the forest? With this unit, everything is possible. Imagine this situation. Your not-so-small watercraft needs to be moved, and here comes the mobile boat hoist C-Series from Marine Travel Lift to the rescue. Watching this machine gently embrace and lift tons of metal and fiberglass is a true spectacle. Powerful yet graceful, the C-Series is equipped with everything necessary to handle the heaviest tasks at the dock without breaking a sweat. Its cool hydraulic system and excellent maneuverability ensure smooth and precise movement, all with minimal effort from the operator. Want to know the secret to flawless roadsides and neat greenery? It's not magic, it's the Spearhead Twiga Flex 890T. With its telescopic boom reaching up to 29 feet and the ability to cut any direction, this wonder trimmer can handle any bushes and trees that dare to stand in its way. And considering it's equipped with a powerful hydraulic drive, the task of transforming your territory becomes no more challenging than a walk in the park. And yes, it doesn't tire or complain about the heat or cold because it has no emotions, only tasks. The multi-axle transporter proves its prowess once again, this time tasked with moving an enormous oversized load. After careful lifting and securing, the journey begins. With meticulous precision, the axles align perfectly, maintaining balance as the monumental cargo progresses steadily along the road. Need a road right here and now? Fawn Trackway not only heard this challenge but also offered the perfect solution: the Roadway Kit. With this kit, you can turn any dirt road into a sturdy artery capable of handling heavy machinery in hours. Composed of durable aluminum panels, it is easy to lay down and just as easy to dismantle, leaving no trace on the landscape. Perfect for quick response in emergencies or military needs. Who said good roads take years to build? Fawn Trackway proves otherwise. Testing the crazy runaway track arrestor system is not for the faint-hearted. Imagine a truck speeding out of control. Its brakes completely failed. Enter the arrestor system, a giant trap that halts the vehicle within seconds, leaving spectators on edge. It's a dramatic demonstration, both thrilling and reassuring in its effectiveness. Say goodbye to tired hands and dull saws. The FC465 stump cutter comes to the rescue to clear your area of stumps, both above and below ground. This is a true professional in his field, which is easily attached to the hydraulic boom of any construction equipment. A wide variety of fasteners are available to you to ensure perfect compatibility and performance. The FC465 is not just a tool, but the key to a clean and tidy landscape. Snow-covered terrain? No challenge at all. The Volvo tracked vehicle, equipped with a trailer and grapple, efficiently retrieves fallen trees buried beneath the snow. Its manipulator skillfully places the logs on the platform, while the tracks advance with steady determination. For this machine, winter is just another ordinary workday. This model of wood splitter from Tejfun is an ideal solution for the industrial production of chopped firewood. With a capacity of approximately 10 cubic meters per hour, this machine offers reliability and ease of operation. Whether autonomous work on the site using a tractor PTO or a stationary installation with an electric or diesel drive, the Tejfun wood splitter adapts to your needs. Feeding, unloading, and collecting systems, as well as a thermostatically controlled oil cooler, guarantee efficiency and durability in all conditions. In addition, automatic wedge leveling and a parameter display make operation easy, while a chip removal fan and discharge conveyor make the process cleaner and more organized. A tractor boasting 10,000 horsepower sounds like something from a sci-fi novel, but it's a reality. This metallic giant roars to life, shaking the ground beneath it. Its engine components are engineering marvels: turbines, crankshafts, and enormous tires designed to conquer the most challenging terrains. The Unimog U530 raises the bar for municipal work, providing efficient solutions for both summer and winter grounds maintenance. A two-person team can handle mowing with ease. The driver operates the front mowers while the passenger, thanks to the convenient mowing door, controls the tail boom. The machine is equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system and truck tires to ensure safety and stability on any terrain. Winter? No problem. The Unimog is equipped with a Schmidt plow and a Cooper-Weiser spreader, which helps combat ice by distributing brine. The good old U500 continues to serve, cleaning road edges and killing weeds with its powerful brush. Mansainen is today a world leader in the development of energy-efficient material handling machines, and has been since 2006. For the Mansainen 300, the new generation HybriLift energy recovery system has been developed and patented. This board handler has definitely broken all previous world records with its capabilities and dimensions. This hydraulic monster can lift a fully loaded 40-foot sea container weighing almost 31 tons and move it with its huge arm up to 157 feet in one fell swoop without moving. The machine was developed specifically for loading and unloading from Panamax-class ships. Transporting a massive Liebherr excavator highlights both strength and engineering expertise. The wheels of the heavy-duty platform glide smoothly along the road, with each turn executed through clear commands and precise actions. One mistake could disrupt the entire process, but the crew is well versed in maneuvering this giant machine. Avatech, founded in 2003, has announced the new Trex Remote Control Lawnmower, RCLM, with collision avoidance technology. Featuring a new 20-horsepower Kawasaki remote start engine and dual cutting blades, the Trex 44 can cut tall, wet grass on slopes up to 50 degrees. The dual hybrid electric drive system provides a zero turning radius when traveling forward or backward. Hybrid drive eliminates the need for hydraulic oil systems and reduces weight and cost. Track to ground pressure is 1.16 pounds per square inch. The new Mulchmate Model DS1000 is an all-electric, virtually silent mulch delivery system that attaches to your existing truck. The Mulchmate will allow you to increase the speed of your operation without hiring more people, because the Mulchmate allows the entire crew to finish the job faster and can complete more work without having to put in overtime hours. It greatly reduces overtime costs. Mulchmate can help you complete mulching jobs 50 to 75% faster. The augers whip the mulch so well that you can spread 10 yards of mulch as 12 to 13 yards. This can reduce your overall material cost by 20% or more. So, the machine really simplifies one of the most difficult parts of mulching. Mulchmate keeps workers on the ground and spreads mulch directly into a wheelbarrow with a simple push of a joystick. The Komatsu D50A fearlessly navigates through thick underbrush. No bushes or small trees can withstand its powerful charge. Like a formidable force, it knocks down obstacles effortlessly, paving the way for new developments. It's efficient and relentless in its task. The two-section behemoth, the Vityaz DT30, doesn't merely navigate a water obstacle, it masters it. Its tracks securely hold to the riverbed, while the engine maintains a consistent speed and the articulated structure guarantees seamless cooperation between both sections. Moreover, it provides the capability to transport passengers alongside its cargo, which is a significant advantage. If you are looking for an effective and cost-effective solution for your woodworking needs, the Wagner 2WD log stacker is worth a look. Not only do these machines require less maintenance due to their advanced design, but they also promise significant cost savings through less tire wear and improved fuel efficiency. The updated Wagner cab not only improves operator visibility and comfort, but also significantly improves productivity. With the addition of three-wheel steering, these log stackers are ideal for working in tight spaces, eliminating the need for costly center pivot repairs that are common on larger wheel loaders. The manufacturer positions its EHW 200 Bison model as a heavy-duty wheeled recovery vehicle. With a lifting capacity of up to 14 tons, it is capable of lifting and towing most of the wheeled vehicles in service with law enforcement and civilian agencies. In addition, the Bisons can be equipped with 5 winches, cranes, and other equipment. Used wheeled platforms are very diverse. They are Iveco, Mercedes, Scania, Volvo, MAN, and other manufacturers. In addition, the EHW 200 modification is equipped with a powerful telescopic lifting arm, which allows not only to help in the repair and replacement of power units, it can also lift light-wheeled armored vehicles. The Cat amphibious excavator is one of the newer models in its class, which can be categorized as a range of trenching equipment. You are looking at a heavy construction machine that can be used for coastal trenching, loading and unloading, pile driving, and demolition work. The undercarriage of this amphibious excavator is specially designed to maneuver in harsh environments, such as swamps, inland lakes, and shallow waters where a normal standard excavator simply can't reach. In addition, this model comes with both a standard short-reach handle and a 46-foot-long heavy-duty handle, allowing it to be adapted to the job site. The collaboration of John Deere with the Eschelbach Biber chipper produces a genuine wood chip spectacle. Large trunks are fed into the chipper's jaws, where robust blades efficiently break them down into fine chips. The operation flows effortlessly. The tractor supplies the logs, while the chipper systematically processes the wood into ideal materials for fuel or mulch. The Kaiser S8 All-Road is a truly unique walking excavator that defines a new performance class of such mobile machines. Robust, maneuverable, and highly efficient. With maximum adjustability, The undercarriage provides the proven high stability that is the hallmark of all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. Entirely new in this weight category is the optional Rotoline system. The S8 all-road technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. The 1990s Agrifac has been given a new lease on life with upgraded features. A second tank and an elevator have boosted its capacity to 25 tons. Its innovative crab steering system reduces soil compaction, while large 1050 tires distribute weight evenly. Post-harvest, 2 John Deere 7530s with Beko trailers transform the yield to the farm, while a third tractor equipped with a Lemken Joule 8 plow prepares the soil for the next planting season. Raptor Rover is revolutionizing the deployment, changeover, and retrieval of the Roadquake 2F TPRS system. With Raptor, Roadquake is now ideal for use in most short-term, short-haul, and mobile operations. Workers operate the Raptor from the comfort of their vehicle and no longer deploy and retrieve the Roadquake 2F TPRS manually. The risk of surface injuries that can be caused by lifting objects such as the Roadquake is also reduced. The unit on wheels expands the practical use of the Roadquake 2F TPRS in work zones and can provide portable, reliable protection for workers. The Raptor is attached to the front of the vehicle. The rear of the vehicle is free for other protective equipment, such as a truck or trailer-mounted attenuator, TMA. The Rockhead hydraulic hammer is your reliable assistant in construction and demolition, suitable for carrier machines from 22 to 140 tons. Equipped with a unique Intelligent Protection System, IPS, Rocket sets new standards in precision and efficiency. The IPS system, including Epiroc Auto Control and Star Select, automatically adjusts piston stroke and adapts operating modes, eliminating idle strokes and increasing productivity without additional operator intervention. This ensures faster and more accurate hammer positioning and increases equipment reliability and surface life. With a lifting capacity of 300 tons, the HS8300 HD is one of the largest universal wire rope hydraulic cranes in the world. This machine has been designed specifically for intensive material handling. Accordingly, this model can handle both dragline buckets and various high-volume grapples. The massive, robust steel construction of the crane is designed for high dynamic loads and long service life. The performance of the mining excavator can be increased with the innovative Hacktronic hybrid drive, which is based on the principle of energy recovery. The use of this drive increases handling performance while reducing fuel consumption. In addition to draglines, the machine can also perform other tasks in the area of material handling and excavation. The machines of this series are used for dredging. OMEPS has introduced its new 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum payload for each load. The tanks also feature double-sided aisles, folding handrails, and quick-loading hatches with only 4 cam levers. Ring welds are ground inside the tank to allow free flow of product to the discharge cone when tipping. A pneumatic vibrator is installed at the rear of the bottom of the tank to facilitate cleaning of the product at the end of loading. The discharge cones are made of polished stainless steel, hinged and bolted for accessing and cleaning the inside of the tank. They are equipped with 5 Solimer aerators that create an effective aeration zone to liquefy the base material before discharge. Well, and finally, meet the Menc RP10, a brush cutter that turns your excavator into a real medieval knight. Only instead of a sword, it has a cutting head that can rotate 360 degrees. This mounted knight effortlessly cuts through wild brush and removes unwanted trees and stumps, as if fighting a dragon. With the ability to adjust to multiple angles, the Menc RP10 is suitable for any task, be it a battle in a dense forest or on a winding hill. Its blades are so powerful that it can cut through tough vegetation and small trees with ease, making it an essential warrior in your arsenal of construction equipment. The Safe Aero 220 can be controlled, maneuvered, and sprayed from the cab, making it the only single-operator de-icer in the ground support industry. Wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics allow real-time status monitoring and quick changes to improve performance. The Safe Aero 220 also features a powerful ground gun with a 32-foot hose reel for accurate and efficient ice removal processes. Experience a new level of comfort with the Safe Aero 220, the de-icing solution for any operation. Are you ready to soar to the heights of construction with innovative Manitex Vala cranes? These powerful mobile cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons, are available in electric, diesel, and hybrid drive, so you can always find the perfect option for any task. Whether you choose a wheeled model for easy maneuverability or a crawler version for stability on rough terrain, every Manitex Vala crane is ready to transform your workflow. With a fixed or swinging boom and many specialized settings, these cranes are designed to meet the unique and challenging requirements. Winter woes vanish with the Schulte snowblowers. Their wide augers and adjustable blades slice through snowdrifts with ease, while hydraulic pivots direct the snow to where it won't cause any issues. Ice and snowbanks vanish in no time. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. Linebacker Quad from Jarrah Industries, a true iron monster on 4 tracks. This innovative machine is designed with every detail in mind for maximum maneuverability and off-road capability. Thanks to new technology where each wheel is equipped with a separate track, the Linebacker Quad can easily overcome the most difficult obstacles. With powerful attachments, this vehicle machine can handle any task on your path. From construction to logging, the Linebacker Quad makes the impossible possible. The newfangled truck-mounted live bottom trailer that you see is a unit that offers the same versatility, functionality, and safety as the Trout River live bottom trailer. This unit allows you to work in tight, confined spaces without worrying about overhead obstructions. Some key features include a 34-inch wide conveyor system with a versatile all-season belt, forward and reverse control for the conveyor belt, and hydraulic feed and return lines. Other interesting features include the patented TRI chain with 3-inch pitch and removable crossbar, an adjustable chain lubrication system, and a pneumatically operated and electrically operated rear door opens 90 degrees. Are you looking for a telehandler that can handle any task? Bobcat offers a wide range of models, each with unique capabilities for different jobs. For example, the TR50-210 is ideal for lighter tasks, thanks to its convenient swivel stabilizers, lift heights from 59 to 82 feet, and a maximum lift capacity of 5 tons. If you need to tackle larger projects, consider the TR60Y-260, which can handle up to 6 tons. These trucks feature scissor stabilizers and high ground clearance for excellent maneuverability, even on uneven terrain. After nearly 2 years of meticulous planning, a 352-ton generator and a 158-ton transformer are successfully transported from Bucky Harbor to Rother-Norman. It's an operation that's like playing a strategic game of chess, where every move is executed with absolute precision. A 19-axle turn, it may sound like a circus trick, but it's just a day in the life of heavy transport. The load glides around the corner with the ease of a sailboat in a storm, showcasing that with expert hands, the seemingly impossible becomes achievable. The Skycut is a pruning shear with an 82-foot fiberglass rod. It is equipped with a circular saw with a rotating head. This allows for pruning at high heights. The fiberglass, an electrically non-conductive material, ensures operator safety when trimming near high-voltage power lines. Depending on requirements, the self-propelled machine can also be equipped with a front shredder with fixed hammers. Pavelli is a leader in the production of fully customized trailers. In its 40-year history, the company has retained its artisanal touch and family management and has been able to spread from Italy to the whole of Europe, all the way to America and Asia. That is why it has created a new special modular low-bed semi-trailer. Such a machine has a high frame with a center beam, extendable and expandable, as well as a removable neck with adjustable height. The entire structure has been hot-dip galvanized, which provides high resistance to corrosive agents and extends the life of the frame. The slow-frame semi-trailer is equipped with pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with knee mechanism, as well as a hydraulic steering system with radio control for easy maneuvers. Friends, meet the Pius Hulk, revolutionary sewer cleaning equipment mounted on MAN TGM 15.250 4x2 Euro 6 chassis. It provides utilities with a powerful tool that can tackle any kind of sewer contamination. Thanks to its innovative design and the use of advanced technology, Pius Hulk sets new standards in cleaning, providing not only the highest performance, but also maximum reliability in operation. This equipment is designed for those who do not recognize compromises in quality and efficiency. The Schwingstetter concrete pump model S38SX Raptor is a true master of efficiency. Its economical engine with a speed of just over 1,000 RPM, even with high pumping power and the legendary robustness of the low-wear rock concrete valve result in unrivaled low operating and maintenance expenses. The innovative Raptor boom combines exceptionally large boom opening angles with an easy-to-use roller folding mechanism, and thus offers unique mobility during use. When two mighty Class B trucks, each hauling 40,000 pounds, line up at the starting line in Saint-Joseph-de-Beauce, Quebec, it's not just a race of speed, but of strength. These beasts are about to prove who dominates the track. take a look at the incredible 4130B. This powerful machine has a 10-foot wide hopper and 3 yards of material capacity. The 4130B ensures that you can tackle any project with ease. The technique offers hydraulic grade and slope adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the machine to your specifications. And with a convenient line-of-sight control station, you'll be in complete control of the operation, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Folding fenders and a breakaway feature make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering provide optimal control and traction on any terrain. Here comes Volvo's HX1 autonomous dump truck, which sets new standards in the construction industry. With its 15-ton payload and all-electric engine, the HX1 is the pinnacle of engineering and sustainability. From four-wheel steering for improved maneuverability to an energy recovery system that maximizes every bit of energy expended, this dump truck is packed with advanced technology. With zero emissions, the HX1 is an eco-friendly solution that reduces environmental impact and improves air quality on job sites. With its stable and robust splitter twin-wave screening platform, the Trax Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials, stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into 2 fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. Felling a 75-foot deciduous tree with a lean, something you've never witnessed before. All safety measures are in place, but let's be honest, this goes beyond simple work. It's truly an art form in motion. The DAF 225X is an industrial-strength forest crop cutting and mulching system that can be mounted on most compact loaders or other specialized forestry machines. DAF brush cutters and mulchers are designed for vegetation control. Protective rings that limit the size of the bites significantly reduce the risk of blade holders breaking. Heat-treated, bolted forged knives that provide maximum resistance to impact and abrasion can be sharpened directly on the unit. The technique has a hydraulic pusher option, which is particularly useful when dealing with older trees, as it is a reliable way of indicating where larger trees will fall when they are felled. If forklifts had superpowers, the Ventrac would definitely be a superhero. Equipped with a long grapple and a powerful bucket, this multifunctional craftsman turns any task into a one-man show. With him, tree removal projects become a fun performance, not a dirty job. And don't worry, it won't leave a mess behind. Thanks to its miraculous flex frame, the Ventrac maneuvers through difficult terrain like a ballerina, leaving no chance for piles of derelict branches. Taking down a 75-foot deciduous tree with a tilt, an impressive feat like nothing you've witnessed before. These are no ordinary tools, they're built for heavy-duty tasks. Handling such a chainsaw is a challenge, but watch as it takes down this massive tree effortlessly. Hilton Engineering recently introduced a new 320T aerial platform model that sets new standards for fire aerials. The first 2 platforms were delivered to Groningen Fire Brigade in the Netherlands, and 5 new platforms are currently in production and awaiting delivery. The new 320T is a result of almost 30 years of experience and continuous improvements in quality, reliability, and user-friendliness. That's why the machine really does have unique characteristics. It provides maximum reliability even in the most critical situations. In addition, the 32-meter platform is also available in carb versions, a combined air rescue pump with an additional water, foam tank, and water pump. The Pezzolato All-Road is one who is not afraid of any road or task. In front of you is a powerful wood splitter and wood chipper equipped with a 300 horsepower engine. Its large 706 cubic foot hopper allows you to load a huge amount of materials, and thanks to its hydraulic control system, it's easy to operate. It can travel on any road, giving you mobility and efficiency. How much time and effort do you think it will save you on your next project? This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, SLR-150H, from Dango and Dienenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easily switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They are specially designed for use in forging and ring-rolling shops. In other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. The scale is truly breathtaking. At first, you don't even notice how high up the worker is, but as soon as the first part of the trunk hits the ground, the perspective shifts and it becomes obvious. If machines had superpowers, the M-Planter M160R from Kobelco would surely be a landscaping superhero. With 160 horsepower and tracked for better maneuverability, it turns tree planting into an art form. Imagine how it gently enters the ground like a knife into butter. Watch this ninja transform a vacant lot into a lush garden. Do you think he can do it faster than your coffee machine makes an espresso? This is XCMG's new generation K-Series powerful skid steer loader. The new supercharged cab with more space and optimized ergonomic design enhance operator safety and comfort in operation. The 2-speed switching and ultra-high flow output realize energy saving and high efficiency. The machine is equipped with highly adaptive design and various tree planting and transplanting accessories, so you can confidently rely on this machine for your hard work. Get the most out of vehicle disassembly with the PowerHand VRS 200. Combining the dexterity grapple with integrated scissors and the VRS 200 clamp with clamping legs that not only open and close to process engines and gearboxes, but also raise and lower to securely grip vehicle bodies during processing. The PowerHand VRS is the perfect combination of power and maneuverability. Suitable for installation on most machines with a payload capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Plier-like dexterity grapple provides a continuous line of sight from operator to vehicle, allowing valuable materials such as copper wire harness to be extracted from even the hardest to reach places. Powerful hydraulic cylinders and a high torque rotation mechanism gives the VRS the ability to cut through a vehicle with ease. You see an all-electric remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. Robo is dedicated to creating autonomous driving solutions that will transform the way the construction industry operates. By modernizing existing heavy equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, and wheel loaders with the latest artificial intelligence systems, Robo's technology allows construction machines to operate completely autonomously, to increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve safety. Just look at how their lead machine works. It can provide autonomous bulldozing, precise leveling, material spreading, land clearing, and many other operations. The system is quite compatible with existing 2D and 3D grade control products. The Stout Smart Cultivator is a software-controlled tractor implement that uses machine vision and artificial intelligence to cultivate and weed fields with mechanical knives. The AI model recognizes each weed and each plant individually. The 2-meter-wide version has an output of 0.4 to 0.81 hectares per hour at 2.5 kilometers per hour. And those are cool numbers. If you need to move something big and bulky from A to B, the OpenBox C Plus is your road hero. From building materials to large agricultural equipment, this open semi-trailer offers easy loading and maximum flexibility in stacking the load. Thanks to its unusual folding structure, you can be sure that the load will be delivered safely and without hassle, even if it protrudes beyond the dimensions of a standard enclosed trailer. The Bulkmaster Evo wood chipper can be modified with additional equipment to the exact machine you need. The Bulkmaster Evo 36HC Lite is designed for efficient and easy operation. This makes it an excellent machine for collective use, for example. The body of the machine is designed to adjust to the size the user requires, ensuring ergonomics. The quiet chainsaw with an automatic lubrication system cuts wood efficiently. Thanks to the OpenBox device, debris and waste wood is poured out of the mechanism. The option of hydraulic height adjustment of the splitting blade, which comes standard, ensures efficient and pleasant operation. The splitting power and speed of the Bulkmaster Evo 36 wood splitter are automatically adjusted according to the size and strength of the timber. When developing the Sweeper MS-130, special attention was paid to maximum ergonomics and high cleaning performance, combined with maximum economy. Such performance is not only due to the efficient engine, but also to the patented eco-efficiency mode, in which the engine shaft speed, hydraulic performance, and sweeping system are optimally combined. When the roadsides start to look more overgrown than your garden after a vacation, it's time to call in the Ducker SGG Schneid Grief Gebläse. This miracle machine not only perfectly cuts any grass in its path, but also collects it without the hassle of filling its spacious tank. Goodbye, garbage collectors and broom pickers. This mechanical wizard does all the dirty work himself. If you grow grapes on a large scale, or are just about to do so, you should know that it will be very difficult to do without a machine such as the T150 VV modification from Engine Bore. This machine has a hydraulically adjustable track from 2 to 2.9 meters, which allows it to be adapted to all vineyards and any work in the fields. The Unimog Flail is a specialized overgrowth machine that can be operated with a serrat head or quad saw and is ideal for discarding thick overgrown and thorny material. This model has a powerful 12-inch shredder that is carried by the boom for quite a long distance and is available on the UK rail infrastructure. These Unimogs are great for large-scale vegetation removal work. On the agricultural front, Plas announced a grand debut in France. The new grain harvesters, including the Lexion 8000 to 5000 series. These harvesters are not only powerful but also wide, with cutting units up to 45.3 feet. They are equipped with grain tanks with capabilities ranging from 18,000 to 10,000 liters and can accelerate up to 25 miles per hour thanks to the TerraTrack suspension. Presented at Agritechnia 2019, these machines became a sensation, demonstrating the latest advances in agricultural technology. You see a trailed beach sweeper for cleaning up medium and small areas, 440 XL, from the popular brand Charrington. The principle of its work is simple: to sift sand and pick up debris in its hopper. The machine is also towed by a tractor of medium traction class. Furthermore, This model is perfect for cleaning beach sports grounds, equestrian areas, and even in agriculture. Think removing steel beads from solid tires must be difficult? With the Eagle International OTRD beater, you'll reconsider. This mighty machine quickly and effectively removes steel beads from tires, making the disposal process easier than ever. Imagine this. Huge tires that seem invincible succumb to this machine in minutes. Want to cut down on disposal time and effort? It's time to put the Eagle International OTRD beater to work and see how easy it can be to handle the tough tasks. Thermite firefighting robots are some of the most powerful and reliable firefighting robots on the market. Designed to mitigate life-threatening situations, these tools provide fire suppression, situational awareness, and intelligence gathering for first responders. Operated by belt-mounted remote controllers, users are provided with real-time video feeds, allowing them to traverse dangerous terrain and remove obstacles from their path while enduring extreme conditions. Thermite firefighting robots are important to have on your side in dangerous, high-risk environments. The Mera Crusher Mulcher is the perfect winter assistant. These hydraulic wonders handle ice crust and pack snow, turning them into useful mulch. Their secret is in their ability not only to effectively grind the winter coating, but also to improve road traction, making travel on snowy roads safer. Regardless of the weather, the Mera Crusher turns winter difficulties into an easy task, adding power and confidence to every movement. When it comes to loading and transporting wood, the Verladezang front loader Drehpunkt from Frigel turns your tractor into a real superhero on the farm. This loading grab attaches to the front loader and provides a secure grip and maneuverability. In fact, no matter what you need to lift, logs, hay bales, or large bags, the Verladezang can handle it all. Imagine your tractor deftly lifting and moving loads, making the job faster and easier. The SureStrike SS150 is the most popular and dynamic hammer in the SS series product line, producing a staggering 50,000 pounds of impact force in a single blow. Built for heavy-duty applications, this unit is one of the most versatile attachments you'll find in this class of excavator lineup. Utilizing an incredible 8+-inch diameter impact pin gives you the confidence to tackle the toughest projects while providing one of the longest life expectancies of any hydraulic breaker in its class. When ecology meets innovation, the result is powerful. The Jean Denol Group Crawler Trencher, designed with environmental standards in mind, is not just equipment, but an ecological hero. This trencher efficiently digs trenches while minimizing its impact on the environment. It is equipped with advanced filtration systems and reduces emissions to a minimum. Groundwork is now carried out with care for nature, as even large equipment can be green. Meet the TigerCat LS855E, a harvester that is ready to take on any challenge. This logging giant is equipped with a lift system to handle the toughest conditions. Its 300 horsepower engine and advanced control system make it easy to tackle any task, whether it's logging or harvesting. Think of how it can speed up your work and simplify your woodworking process. A true marvel of modern technology. The Narva E24 Energy Head is used in thinning, field clearing, road right-of-way maintenance, and parks in urban areas. This technique is suitable for harvesting energy wood with a diameter of 9.4 inches and also has a storage unit. Connects to a manipulator instead of a grapple. It can be used with tractors weighing 5 to 8 tons, excavators, forestry trailers, and sorting trucks. Among the features of the unit, it is worth mentioning the control without electricity, excellent load properties, fast guillotine cutting, easy installation, and no additional hydraulics. The Husky eMotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. The Allman AZ55F swivel loader has proven itself in the tree nursery. Simultaneously driving, maneuvering, and turning are the key to its high productivity. Thanks to the combination of four-wheel steering and a 180-degree swivel boom, the Allman swivel loader can rotate completely around its axis, taking up 20% less floor space than a conventional wheel loader. Fast and efficient loading, unloading, and reloading of trees and hedges with root clumps is what this new technology can do. Here comes a revolution in the agricultural business: the liquid manure spreader Schlefix from Brunner Spezial Werkstatt. This device, like a Swiss knife among agricultural machinery, turns a routine task into true engineering art. Designed in the cozy workshops of Schwarzenbach, the Schlefix not only handles the distribution of liquid manure, but does it with such finesse that even the laws of nature seem like mere recommendations. Forget the old ways. With the Schlefix, you're filled to be treated efficiently, neatly, and most importantly, in accordance with the strictest environmental standards. This low-frame trailer is engineered to meet the needs of any delivery. With its telescopic frame, it adjusts effortlessly to the length of the road, while the extendable sections widen the platform, ensuring a perfect fit for even the largest structures. This TMR Jailer mixed truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dried distillate grain, additives, prized byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feedlots. The live bottom is a cutting-edge tipper trailer that unloads materials without the need to lift the body. Instead of the typical tilting mechanism, it utilizes a conveyor belt at the trailer's base, which smoothly pushes the load, such as sand, gravel, or asphalt, toward the rear discharge opening. The operator controls the rate of material flow, ensuring consistent and even unloading. Only the highest quality tools and equipment are suitable for your Unimog, and Mulag has been producing superior high performance and innovative technology for road and rail maintenance for many years. In addition to curb mowers and slope mowers, with or without a grass collection system, up to a 25.5-foot reach, Mulag has introduced an equipment combination that includes 3 units mounted on the same vehicle for simultaneous use. All powerful booms can be outfitted with a multitude of working attachments for year-round roadside repair and roadside maintenance operations. And how such equipment works, you can see for yourself. The Kyler Classic is a tractor-powered symphony of potato harvesting. Twin vibrating tables and sorting belts work with relentless accuracy. No tuber is left behind, and each bin ends up spotless and showroom clean. The winter streets of Ottawa, Ontario became clean thanks to the true master of snow removal, the vintage Sicard with a Detroit diesel engine. Loaders and graders create snow piles, and then this snow beast comes into action, blowing the snow straight into trucks. The strength and precision of the Sicard's work are impressive, turning the tedious process of cleaning into an incredibly captivating sight. Your street will be clean and safe, all thanks to this retro machine that shows the true classics never go out of style. The Camps Voltia Dora isn't your average compost turner. It's a high-speed turbine for soil vitality. With an 8-foot working width, it flips windrows, boosts oxygen flow, and accelerates decomposition. Fast, clean, and green. Composting elevated. Brachyplanter P11.A is an excavator-based machine designed for soil preparation, planting, irrigation, and fertilization of eucalyptus seedlings. The brachyplanting head is mounted on a John Deere 200 DLC hydraulic excavator, 119 kilowatts, fully adapted for forestry operations. The brachy machine holds 72 pipes, a carousel. Each pipe is 2.36 inches in diameter. 2 new buckets have been added to the excavator boom to hold up to 39 inches cubed of granular fertilizer. The machine's base modification includes replacing the solid ballast with a 3,500-liter water tank. Behind the water tank, the machine has shelves for carrying seedlings to the plot. During transportation, the seedlings are kept moist by a special irrigation system. Cleaning the truck at the Mansinan station prevents wood debris from falling onto the road and thus increases traffic safety. Thanks to automation, the driver also does not have to climb onto the roof of the truck to clean the platform with a brush. The system also makes it easier to clean the surrounding area. Thanks to the Mansinan cleaning station, truck turnover times are reduced because it is the automated equipment that does the cleaning. The truck passes directly through the station when leaving. In order to save energy, the fans only run when needed, but during peak hours they can also be switched to continuous mode. The wood residues can later be used for incineration. The Kongskilde and Ag X Seed just made Ag Tech history. Autonomous seeding at scale with no driver in sight. A full field flawlessly planted, all controlled remotely. This isn't just innovation, it's a glimpse of farming's hands-free future. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch with a pulling force of 8.5 tons is easy to use thanks to the unwinding device and the auto stop and smart 3-in-1 functions. Operation is via remote control. The folding window grille makes transportation easy. The recognizable winch design with sturdy construction and compact backstrap protects against wear and tear and makes operation easier. The 85H model, on the other hand, does not have an unwinding device. Watch as a tractor towing a timber trailer takes on one of the most unforgiving bogs. Its wheels sink nearly to the rims, but equipped with a strong engine, a differential lock, and immense torque, it refuses to surrender. Full throttle tires churning through a vortex of mud, and with a surge of power, it bursts forward, a true storm on wheels. The West Bundle Sage is a special firewood saw, and here's how it works. If an area is filled with wood, a so-called clamp is used to hold the logs in place. A tractor with 70 horsepower or more can be used to bring the filled firewood saw to where it ultimately needs to be cut. At the push of a button, the saw, whose teeth are only 0.04 inches thick, starts up and chews through the wood from bottom to top, which is automatically cut to the desired length. The ejector transports the remaining wood in the box to a stack of previously sawn logs. The firewood saw takes about 4 minutes to cut 1 metric piece of wood into 13-inch pieces. The Kessler 700 series cranes are suitable for medium-sized machinery, crushers, and various terminal structures. The range includes single and double hull modes. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kessler Pro G. The cranes can be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Model 700 and 700T can also be equipped with mechanical valves with internal open control for devices. In this video, a Model 700 crane is working in close association with a Voltra T195 in a finished forestry operation and is mounted on the rear axle of this tractor. A truck becomes stuck in deep mud, but the tracked D50A quickly comes to the rescue. Acting like a faithful companion, it firmly grips the ground and forcefully pushes the trapped vehicle ahead. Together, they triumph over the elements, proving that mud is no obstacle for their progress. Imagine a machine that can meet any challenge on the road to cleanliness. The Super 2000 on a Mercedes Actros chassis is just such a hero. This machine is a true giant in the world of cleaning. What makes it so special? For starters, it can clean pipes that other machines don't even dare to touch, extract contaminants from great depths and mill pipes. The Super 2000 utilizes a water recycling system that not only saves resources, but also makes the cleaning process more efficient. Water that has been cleaned from sludge in the tank returns to play, providing powerful and continuous cleaning. And with the telescopic boom reaching the hardest to reach places, there's no task it will back down to. So, if you ask, can the cleaning process be made even more productive? With the Super 2000, the answer is unequivocally yes. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with two different powertrains, a fuel cell and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. When this tracked machine takes control, the forest transforms into a cleared field. It fells trees, clears brush, and uses its attachments to smooth out the land to perfection. Etnire's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. Dry suction excavators. These trucks can handle any material that needs to be moved. Eliminating costly and heavy loads, a suction excavator uses air to loosen materials, and a staggering 24,000 cubic feet per minute to remove it. A rubber digging tube ensures safe digging, and all these features combined with the side discharge system allows for on-site unloading, allowing this powerful dump truck to work on-site all day long. When engineering meets art. The CIFA K47H on Mercedes-Benz AROX 8x4 is born, a concrete pump that knows no equal. The heart of this beast beats to the rhythm of 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, surging free through the carbon fiber veins of its booms. And not just a machine, it's the epitome of power and grace, where every element, from the antennas to the handrails, play its unique role in creating a symphony. Behind every sound of its engine is the promise of unrivaled power, providing not only efficiency but also inspiration on the way to completing each project. With the Seppi Universal Stone Crusher and the MIDI Soil DT Tillage Cultivator, the little brother of Star Soil, you can do many things: crush stone, stabilize soil, chop stumps, mulch wood, and recycle material for any road surface. The MIDI Soil DT is a new multifunctional crusher mulcher for tractors with medium PTO, 100 to 170 horses. This machine is equipped with a new innovative dual variant linkage with a more robust transmission and additional crushing bars. Clever Malacot transforms the transport of Volvo machinery into an impressive display of mechanical power. With a multi-wheel platform and flawless coordination, the journey to its destination unfolds with remarkable smoothness. Discover the Westech Woodcracker C550 Feller Buncher, a true giant among tree shears that effortlessly handles the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. In this video, this powerful machine demonstrates its capabilities by ridding an orange field of old windbreak trees that were taking away valuable moisture and blocking out light. But the most impressive part is the biomass from the work, which is recycled into nutritious fertilizer for the new trees, providing the necessary conditions for growth and fruiting. The Woodcracker C550 doesn't just remove obstacles, it takes care of future crops, turning problems into nutrients for new life. Auger torque trenchers are quickly gaining a reputation as the most reliable and versatile units on the market today. The labor-intensive task of trenching has been transformed by the advent of such powerful machinery. The Auger torque range of trenchers is available for a wide range of mini-loaders, skid steers, backhoes, and excavators weighing up to 10 tons and covering depths up to 4.9 feet and widths up to 1.14 feet, with soil being neatly stacked to the side of the trencher by the rotating auger. Using only the highest quality hydraulic motors, providing flow rates of up to 150 liters per minute, and a planetary gearbox means this equipment has the reliability and power to make trenching easy. Here's another tree and yet another unforgettable fall. The worker certainly faced a tough task, but the outcome? Totally worth it. There's no question about that. In today's world, road maintenance has become an incredibly dangerous endeavor. That's why Pioneer Industrial Systems developed the Robotic Maintenance Vehicle, or RMV, to help save lives by taking road workers to safety. The RMV combines advanced vision and artificial intelligence training with a Fennec robot that uses line tracking to detect, map, filter, and fill cracks while driving on the highway. And all this when there is only one operator on the road and no other workers exposed to dangerous traffic. It's nearly impossible to grasp the weight of the responsibility in determining the cut's angle with such precision that a massive tree falls exactly as planned, without causing any damage. The process is meticulous, and the pressure is off the charts. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to the wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. Prime Robotics offers industry-leading pallet automation solutions that are the best choice for warehouse, factory, and e-commerce operations. These dynamic pallet grippers significantly reduce the need for manual labor and greatly increase the efficiency of workflows. With high load capacity and the ability to handle multiple pallets simultaneously at a single station, Prime Robotics provides an intelligent, scalable, flexible, and highly efficient approach to pallet management operations. With this approach, businesses can optimize processes and improve their bottom line, while increasing the safety and accuracy of warehouse operations.
Another withered giant crashes down with a thunderous roar after a perfectly executed chainsaw cut. Each time you witness moments like this, it's captivating, as though it's your first time seeing it.
Czech company Tatra has revealed its promising model, a truck with a fuel cell propulsion system. With a gross vehicle weight of 45 tons, the Force eDrive has traction electric motors with a combined output of 480 kilowatts, 653 horsepower, and 2,300 newton meters. All this torque is distributed between the wheels of the 3 rear axles. The engines are powered by a unit with fuel cells. In them, there is an electrochemical reaction of hydrogen with air, or rather with oxygen, resulting in the production of electricity, and as a side effect, water is formed. Thus, the Force eDrive's only exhaust is water vapor. FMG's tractor-trailed grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Cleantech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinize and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. Looking for a way to make your soil perfect for new plantings? Then Prenoth Deep Rippers and Rotovators are at your service. These powerful machines, like the RF800 and RFL700, turn difficult plots into paradise for new plants. Working with Fendt and John Deere tractors, they swiftly remove roots and wood waste while enriching the soil with organic materials. Why not give your plants the best start by loosening and improving the soil so effectively that even your neighbors will envy? The Optimus H99 is the most efficient paving machine in the world and is the 10th developed by the manufacturer and inventor of this equipment. With an even more powerful hydraulic pump combined with engine speed limiting, the machine runs even quieter and faster, yet very economically. Under optimum conditions, this paver achieves a capacity of more than 1,000 square meters of paving slabs per shift. Definitely an impressive performance. The UDS 211 tracked universal finishing machine is suitable for precise finishing excavations in difficult terrain. It has excellent stability and overcomes absolutely any uneven terrain. Thanks to the additional attachments, the large-sized machine can be used in a wide range of applications, such as construction sites, quarries, or steel mills. Among the advantages, I can't help but mention the versatility and the long working range of up to 47.9 feet. This specialty telescopic excavator can perform deep undercutting up to 90 degrees, and the tool itself can safely be rotated the full 360 degrees. The machine prides itself on its unique performance and finishing excavations. How do you transport a CAT 785D water tanker weighing 250,000 pounds across the scorching Pilbara? Sounds like a job for superheroes. But for the guys at NHH Hauling, it's just another workday. Equipped with everything necessary for safe and efficient transportation, they take on the responsibility of delivering this Titan to its new location, where it will help maintain order and prosperity. Rest assured, the route was perfected and every mile was under the control of professionals. The Helioder Compact Disc Harrow from Lemken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seedbed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seedbed. In combination with the Solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, you can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage.
These features make the Helioder a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. Mean Iron Baltic's ATV and UTV logging trucks, which offer two winch options, manual with 1,598 pounds of towing capacity and 33 feet of cable, and electric with up to 2,500 pounds of lift capacity and 50 feet of cable. The choice of load securing system allows you to adapt the timber truck to different needs, a suspension system for larger logs or a rotating lower frame for lighter lumber. The optional rear support ensures safe transport of logs, protecting the environment and keeping the load clean. The logging truck has a lifting capacity of 1,102 pounds, and a chain and belt securely secures logs to the frame. The new 6.9X Series All-Star Sieve Bucket is the first time the All-Star Sifting Bucket has been used with colonnade sand and decorative stone. The All-Star Sifting Bucket and JCB Topsoil work seamlessly together to mix compost and topsoil, creating a well-balanced environment for gardening use. The X Series utilizes dual screening bays for increased productivity, sturdy construction, and space. By the way, Difco manufactures and supplies only the highest quality equipment for the construction and recycling industries. Multi-Mobile from Probst is simply ideal for economical and precise paving of slabs. The technique is suitable for concrete slabs, natural stones, slabs with exposed aggregates, large pavers, and ecological pavers. The machine allows effortless paving, as the lifting and lowering is carried out by a vacuum hose hoist. Another advantage is the precise positioning of the slabs through a smooth-moving, slewing crane with a very low load capacity. By the way, slabs that have already been laid can easily be lifted again. Multi-Mobile can easily lay up to 300 square meters of tiles per day. Discover Hamar's self-loading trailers, 79,300 pounds in 3.5 minutes. This company's side loaders, also known as skid steer loaders, are self-loading trailers or trucks used primarily for loading and unloading shipping containers. With a standard payload capacity of 79,300 pounds, it can easily move a fully loaded container in record time. With Hamar, you can save time and money by offering your customers a new, flexible, and improved service. Lift, move, and transport with one vehicle and operator anywhere, anytime. Zoomline has launched the self-propelled telehandler with a working height of up to 221 feet. According to the manufacturer, this is a world record. The machine also has a maximum horizontal reach of up to 101 feet. This model features an outrigger extension system with hydraulic cylinders. They are located on the inside of the outriggers and have 3 pivot points for retraction and extension. The elevator is capable of traveling independently at a maximum speed of up to 2.8 miles per hour. High ground clearance of up to 1.3 feet allows it to negotiate small obstacles. If you need to lay paving slabs quickly and with perfect results, look no further than the Hunklinger BKK hydraulic paving clamp from Nimitec BV. This tool revolutionizes the laying process, allowing stones to be mechanically positioned with precision and speed unattainable by hand. By the way, Nimitec, a company specializing in the production of such machines, offers not only Hunklinger clamps, but also vacuum laying systems, which will make them your ideal partner for the improvement of urban spaces. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton Block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. The CAT 630 hydraulic mining excavator is a favorite of the company's customers, and for good reason, we have to admit. It delivers the highest engine power in its class, as well as the mobility and flexibility needed for a 300-ton machine to deliver the performance expected and reliably required. In fact, the 630 is the only excavator in its class with 2 engines that are Tier 4 final compliant, eliminating the need for diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, and saving time and money in maintenance. The TFC 400 cutting heads are designed for excavators with a capacity of 6 to 10 tons and 9 to 12 tons respectively. Cymex has created a powerful machine with a cutting force of 18.5 kilonewtons, which is an attachment for digging small trenches for utility lines, detailed profiling of concrete surfaces, and effective removal of tree trunks in agriculture and forestry work. Their relatively small size, combined with the use of ultra-high reach excavators, provides the user with a highly productive attachment even when working in confined spaces, such as demolishing small foundations. Chemrock continues to innovate in the field of excavator milling attachments, which have already proven themselves in various applications, from demolition to tunnel construction. With the new cut and break tool, Chemrock offers a revolutionary solution for quarries where traditional drilling and blasting is no longer feasible. This method, which uses a cutting wheel to create the grooves and a special tool to separate the rock from the face, allows rock to be mined with minimal noise and vibration, making it ideal for working in environmentally sensitive areas. You see the Stryker Volterra ARFF, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV ARFF, that has been designed to meet the growing standards for sustainable solutions at airports of all sizes around the world. It is designed to channel mechanical and battery power to enhance driving and pumping performance, while keeping fuel consumption and emissions in mind. At the heart of the new Stryker Volterra ARFF is Oshkosh Corporation's proprietary technology, including Oshkosh's patented hybrid electric drivetrain that provides zero-emissions operation while powered by battery power. The Stryker Volterra ARFF vehicle is built on traditional Stryker ARFF platform configurations, ensuring fleet continuity and seamless training and maintenance processes. In the world of construction, Casa Grande hydromills are like superheroes among ordinary bulldozers. Capable of withstanding the most challenging ground conditions, these machines are equipped with 2 drive gears that rotate directly at the bottom of the trench. And yes, they really mill the soil and rock, mixing it all with bentonite slurry to the rhythm of the construction blues. If you need something reliable for creating membrane walls, these water mills won't just do the job, they'll exceed your expectations by adding a little style to every excavation. Imagine a trailer that does more than just transport cargo. This new trailer is equipped with 2 powerful rotating mechanisms inside, turning it into a mobile shredder. It is the perfect solution for processing everything from garden waste and furniture to construction debris. Capable of handling up to 1,763 pounds of material at once, it will significantly speed up the workflow. The robust construction and ease of maintenance make it a reliable companion in any condition, not just a trailer, but a whole plant on wheels. At the Welzo Airfield during the Fire Mobile 2023 exhibition, McGuire's presented a real firefighting masterpiece, the TLF Air Corps. This giant is not just a machine, but a true water dragon. With an extended range booster, it transports over 10,000 liters of water, which a powerful fan turns into firefighting mist. And the self-protection system? If a fire thinks about attacking the machine, the TLF Air Corps responds with a water barrier. So, fire, you'd better stay away. The Bergman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Bergman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle with floating suspension in the center section. When was the last time construction equipment thrilled you? The Ligscreen Screed Saver Max Plus is guaranteed to change the way you think about concrete paving. This sleek machine doesn't just work, it skillfully creates perfectly flat concrete slabs, turning every project into a masterful job. With laser guidance features and the innovative swing boom pivoting frame, the machine pours concrete with impeccable accuracy and speed. With enhancements including a completely redesigned wireless control system and a quiet Honda gasoline engine, the Screed Saver Max Plus becomes your trusted partner in any construction project. The Converse C91 is a dredger designed for small waterways, canals, and lakes. This technological giant has been equipped with the CW10 quick coupling system, which allows numerous tools to be attached to the attachment, such as a mowing bucket, dredging pump, chain mower, and grapple. This model has 3 outriggers, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, and the mass range and length from 157 to 236 inches. The Converse C91 operates thanks to the driving force, a double auger with an anti-twist auger that is hydraulically foldable and height adjustable. A successful farmer's distinctive feature is the ability to adapt and innovate. Von den Ende perfectly demonstrates this by equipping the John Deere 6830 tractor with innovative anti-slip wheels. Positioned next to the rear wheels, they prevent slipping when working with an 8-body plow, making the plowing process easier. This not only improves tractor control, but also increases work efficiency, making each pass across the field precise and effective. Even at the best of times, concrete can be tricky to work with, and not having the right tools for the job can result in a poor quality concrete mix and even a messy cleanup that could very well set you back for hours. Loading, mixing, and delivering concrete around the job site is made easy with this skid steer concrete paver from the renowned Hymac Attachments. With a hydraulic opening at the bottom of the attachment, as well as a removable discharge tube, you have maximum control over every pour. This curbside concrete mixer attachment comes in various sizes to fit your line of work. The largest model is capable of mixing and transporting up to 600 liters of concrete in a single load. Discover a new era of sieving with the Eggersman Terra Select T60, the latest track seed seeder equipped with an advanced version of the sieving drum. And guess what? This cool multi-master is sure to revolutionize your process thanks to its versatility. It can integrate not only the high-performance Terra Select drums, but also any other 822-foot drums available on the market. With it, you not only get flexibility in equipment selection, but also the highest operating efficiency thanks to extra-long conveyor belts, a 7.09 cubic foot capacity hopper, and the ability to easily exchange different components via the quick change system. Interlink Citrus presents the Power Prop Sprayer, every agronomist's dream. With 8 sprayers nearly 28 inches in diameter, this sprayer is designed for intensive care of large citrus areas. It not only significantly reduces processing time, but also ensures that each tree receives the necessary amount of protective and nutritional substances. Thanks to its thoughtful design and high power, the Power Prop Sprayer ensures high productivity and resource savings, making your farm more sustainable and productive. The technologically advanced M500E 1000 is a new forestry mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It is ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 LPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500E works. The RT-14R from Terramac has been designed to work on sensitive and confined job sites thanks to its full 360-degree rotation. With this machine, you can easily unload at any angle and then do it again and again with maximum efficiency. The 2-speed hydrostatic transmission allows this massive tracked hauler to outperform its competitors while maintaining maximum safety and comfort. Unload material right where you want it and easily get back in by turning 360 degrees. By the way, the manufacturer has implemented a standard ISO joystick control with unloading controls, which provides increased maneuverability. It is this factor that makes driving the RT-14R a dream. The machine easily moves and unloads 14 tons of materials or equipment at any angle. Looking for a semi-trailer that can adapt to any transportation task? Yangzhou Vulcan Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited offers a semi-trailer with retractable sections that can change its dimensions to optimally fit the load. This feature allows you to transport large volumes or irregular loads with ease. In addition, the exceptional maneuverability thanks to the advanced wheel system and the lifting mechanism make loading and unloading much easier. With this semi-trailer, every delivery becomes more efficient and cost-effective, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to maximize productivity. After heavy snowfalls, airports remain literally paralyzed for some time until the runways are cleared of snow. The Norwegian Overåsen TV1000, and the world's largest auger snowplow, was created for this very purpose. This technique allows coping with the tasks of clearing the territory as quickly as possible, throwing 12,000 tons of snow per hour at a distance of 35 to 50 yards beyond the runways. The Hamar self-loading cable drum trailer, also known as the Hamar drum loader, is a specialized side loader for lifting and transporting large cable drums or reels, power cable wound on large steel drums. This technique is an incredibly versatile and cost-effective solution that eliminates the emerging need for other lifting equipment, as well as other specialized trailers. On the Styrian Erzberg in Austria, where old concrete, asphalt, and hard rock surfaces meet their epic end, the PTH Ripper demonstrated its incredible capabilities. This mighty ripper, with its unique kinematics, not only protects the vehicle, but also effectively wrenches large chunks of rock out of the ground. What's it all for, you may ask? It is how quality preparation is carried out to further create the perfect surface, which is where the grader and compactor comes in. Brock robots are designed and optimized for demolition. But did you know that a Brock robot is also an effective solution for pile foundation underpinning? Brock's compact and flexible demolition robots can easily access confined spaces without sacrificing power. They can carry various attachments, and they emit no exhaust emissions. And in general, the new Brock 200 demolition robot breaks new ground, packing the power of the Model 280 into a compact 2.1-ton package. It comes with a new signature Brock Smart Design TM and Smart Remote TM capabilities. Hey, you there! Yes, that's you. How about being in the future of construction for a moment? Meet CAT's mini hydraulic excavators that will change the way you think about hard work. Forget about dirt and noise, because now the control is remote. The excavators will perform the toughest jobs and you won't even lose your coffee cup. And it's all thanks to the wonders of electro-hydraulic control, which makes the process not only efficient but also incredibly exciting. Meet Nordic Dyno, the robot that turns airplane cleaning into an art form. This machine from Aviator Robotics AB doesn't just clean, it makes airplanes spotlessly clean using state-of-the-art technology. Its systems, equipped with innovative brushes and spraying mechanisms, work so quietly and efficiently that even the most fastidious passengers won't notice their airplane is perfectly clean. Is it really possible to pass by such a helper? When you need to dig a deep and strong foundation pit, the Komatsu PC-1250 is the way to go.
This excavator doesn't just dig, it performs miracles. With its powerful engine and teeth that can literally tear through any soil, you can create concrete walls or drainage ditches with precision. When it comes to digging slurry walls, the Komatsu PC-1250 demonstrates its power by overcoming even the hardest grounds with jerks. Look at this beast and forget about difficulties. With the Komatsu PC-1250, everything is possible. Make your cleaning chores a breeze with the Trilo TL23. These vacuum containers are designed to quickly and efficiently remove leaves, debris, and even small branches from your property. Simply mount the TL23 on your tractor and enjoy how it handles any task with ease. Cleanup has never been easier or more enjoyable, believe me. How could you pass up on the chance to make cleaning so easy? Discover the HSU 3000-4000 VI Ultra Air Blast Sprayer, the optimal solution for agricultural spraying. This powerful sprayer ensures precise and uniform liquid distribution thanks to an innovative air blast system that guarantees coverage of large areas without sacrificing efficiency. With a tank volume of up to 1,000 gallons, the HSU 3000-4000 allows you to treat extensive territories with minimal refueling needs, making your work more productive and less labor-intensive. Just imagine the power and efficiency in one device, the TM1200 and TB900 high-performance wood-splitting units. These machines are designed to process large-diameter logs, turning a complex task into easy work. The TM1200 handles logs up to 47 inches in diameter, while the TB900 complements its power by processing logs up to 35 inches. With such units, you won't have to struggle with heavy logs manually. Enjoy the speed and precision with which they turn massive trees into logs ready for use. On July 28, 2017, in the Atlantic Ocean, the first fixed-wing aircraft was launched from the USS Gerald R. Ford. The FA-18F Super Hornet, piloted by Lieutenant Commander Jamie Strach of the 23rd Test and Evaluation Squadron, VX, took off from the carrier's flight deck. This event marked a vital milestone in the testing and evaluation operations of the new aircraft carrier. The successful launch confirmed the high technology and combat readiness of the USS Gerald R. Ford, demonstrating its capabilities and importance for the modern fleet. Meet Wilhelm Portsteinson EA-11, your new best friend in the world of fishing. This giant, 292 feet long and 54 feet wide, boasts a carrying capacity of over 3,000 tons and two powerful RRM Bergen B-33 45 L6 engines. In this floating palace, fishing turns into a real adventure with comfort. Wilhelm Portsteinson EA-11 is not just a vessel, but the pinnacle of engineering where technology and convenience go hand in hand. The Ocean Farm, with a length of 1,263 feet, is a revolution in fish farming, uniquely combating advanced technology and environmental responsibility. This innovative farm withstands the harsh weather conditions of the open sea, providing optimal conditions for fish life. All fish swim in the purest water thanks to constant currents, improving their health and product quality. This sustainable farm design minimizes environmental impact and reduces emissions, making it a truly ecological project. In the world of coal transshipment, a barge from an E-crane is a real rock star. Imagine this steel giant, like a huge robot from the future, easily transferring coal from ship to shore. The giant E-crane installed on the barge turns heavy work into a real show. Like Transformers coming to help.
This crane can lift and move tons of coal in minutes, saving time and effort. Most importantly, all this happens with amazing precision and reliability. In Amsterdam, life on the water is becoming increasingly popular, especially in areas like Eiburg and Buxlotterham. The second part of the Living on Water project presents 4 districts where Amsterdam residents live in various types of water dwellings. Here you can find renovated old barges, modern floating houses, and entire sustainable floating neighborhoods. These unique projects demonstrate how urban life can harmoniously blend with the water environment, creating comfortable and eco-friendly living conditions. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. The VRG undercarriage is designed specifically for Valtra's T234 series tractor model bodies. With the auxiliary blade, it is easy and economical to maintain roads all year round. Gravel roads are leveled in summer and snow, ice, and sleet are removed in winter. When designing the undercarriage, the focus was on simplicity, strength, and durability of construction. The use of the base blade is simplified as much as possible. This machinery has new types of floating blade functions and safety-enhancing functions such as automatic reverse and adjustable blade release system. A work light, mirror, and blade angle indicator are standard, making it easy to use the base blade. In addition, the ground clearance of the Vuomed undercarriage is so high that it allows the tractor to be universally used for other jobs as well. Iron Knight Volvo Trax has twice become the fastest tractor in the world. It broke the speed record in the 546 and 1,093 yard categories. It has been at the top for several years, and the record has not been broken until now. This record holder is special in every way. Everything except the I-Shift dual engine and the transmission is custom made, not standard. The car makes 2,400 horsepower, 6,000 newton meters of torque, and weighs 4.5 tons. The software has been reprogrammed for high performance. The cabin has an aerodynamically optimized shape and is made of fiberglass. Finally, there are large air intakes on the sidewalls to ensure good engine cooling. Using the remote control, the device operator can control all functions of the pilling device and various attachments, such as the sheet pilling press. With the RTG MPZ 770 sheet pilling press, 4 sheet pile walls can be erected simultaneously without any auxiliary equipment. Depending on the ground conditions, it can be used anywhere and shows its particular advantages in areas where vibration is unacceptable, such as in the immediate vicinity of buildings or power lines. Erkin World Power has earned its place among the world's leading manufacturers of telescopic and slewing cranes during its 35 years of existence. And their new ER 122.000 L4 series wrecker, the ER 122.000, has already proved its own effectiveness by redefining standards in this sector. The boom slewing mechanism is equipped with 4 winches with a pulling force of 40 tons each. The load can be rotated during the lift by means of these winches. A powerful lifting system provides a good view of the working area at night. This wrecker can be used as a slewing crane with a lifting capacity of 122 tons, which is a huge advantage compared to other models of similar equipment. How often have you thought that the process of cutting firewood could be easy and efficient? With the Typhoon RCA 330 Joy and Fun wood chippers, now everything is possible. Powered by an electric motor or connected to a tractor, these machines can make firewood production extraordinarily simple.
capable of processing logs from 0.16 to 1.08 feet in diameter and turning them into logs from 0.66 to 1.31 feet long. The Typhoon makes firewood making efficient and less tedious work. These machines will be your trusted partners in firewood production, ensuring the perfect size and shape of each log. Meet the Rototilt R3, the master of manipulation for excavators weighing between 6 and 12 tons. With a breakout torque of 85 kilonewton-meters, this unit is rewriting the rules of the game for the most compact machines. Whether it's construction or cleaning railroad tracks with a special mounted rotating brush, the R3's integrated slewing mechanism promises unmatched precision and performance, supported by 250-bar hydraulics. With its central lubrication system and load-holding valves, every task becomes easier. The JF990 from Jecco combines the flexibility of an articulated crane with the reliability of a crawler. This crane stands out from the competition with an outstanding lifting capacity of 21.5 tons despite its compact size. Reaching a working height of 134.5 feet and an outreach of 124.7 feet, the telescopic jib makes it a powerful helper on any construction site. The versatility of the JF990 is wonderful. It can easily switch between electric motor and diesel engine for optimal performance, both indoors and outdoors. The JF990 is ideal for specific lifts in tight spaces and various demanding tasks. Let's talk about servicing the Airbus A380. That's where the Doll X Cat L steps onto the scene with inhuman grace and strength. Just look at this specialized transporter, capable of lifting and moving the aircraft with maximum precision and skill. The Doll X Cat L's ability to handle such a giant proves that even sky giants can be tamed with the right equipment. Ready to see how technology is changing aviation logistics? Meet the Liebherr TA230 Litronic, the true star of the quarry dump trucks. This cool monster on wheels not only looks like something out of a futuristic movie, but works with such power that any loads turn to dust in its path. Equipped with a modern diesel engine and the Litronic system, the TA230 promises maximum performance with minimal fuel costs. And don't worry about maneuvers. Its improved control system and spacious cabin make every turn easy and comfortable. Meet the heroes of wood processing, RCA 480 Joy Plus and RCA 480 Joy from Tashfun. These powerful wood processing machines are designed with forestry in mind, turning logs into firewood with high energy efficiency. Ease of switching between transport and work modes accelerates the work process, while ease of operation and compact but rugged design make them not only productive, but also easy to use. RCA 480 Joy and Joy Plus are your reliable tool for increasing productivity in production. Well, it's time to discuss WR, which is equipped with a powerful milling and mixing rotor, as well as a modern injection system. This cold recycler uses a milling and mixing rotor to mill asphalt pavements, granulate them, spray binder and water in precisely measured doses, and mix it all in one operation. The new base layers manufactured in-house stand out for their exceptional load-bearing capacity. With a working width of 7 feet 10 inches and a maximum working depth of 22 inches, it is a high-performance machine you can count on. Imagine a place where extreme conditions are the norm. Slag with temperatures up to 1300 degrees Celsius, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk cargo, as well as red-hot slabs and coils weighing tons. This is the daily reality of steel mills and smelters, where every working day is a challenge for both people and machines. In such extreme conditions, Comag transport systems come into play, designed specifically to survive and work efficiently in the harshest metallurgical conditions. Heat, dirt, or heavy loads, Comag machines can withstand any challenge. Crocklift continues to impress with its innovative approach to machine design. As a great alternative to traditional wheels, their amphibious trailers are equipped with tracks, allowing them to maneuver with ease both on land and in water. Watching these machines dive into the water to pick up a small vessel is truly an impressive sight. And you know, we see not just technology, but a real masterpiece of engineering, created to solve unique problems in extreme conditions. Recently, a specialized vessel that regulates flows at the receiving end of oil and gas pipelines was successfully transported 50 miles inland from Ohio. A unique technology was used to transport this 450,000-pound behemoth, a 12-axle Goldhofer, 2-lane train from Buckingham Heavy Transport. This solution allowed the weight to be evenly distributed and ensured that all necessary permits were obtained, which was key to safe and efficient transportation. Did you know that when fire, metal, and a press meet in the same place, they can create art? Look at this. A 3,000-ton hot-forming press transforms preheated red-hot material into a stunning dish-shaped tank head. The process is a real spectacle. A wheel loader feeds a perfectly round and flat piece of metal under the press, where the magic of transformation awaits. Under enormous pressure and tongues of flame, the material takes the shape of a bowl. This process is not only impressive in its power, but also demonstrates how pure raw materials become useful products. You see, not just a machine, but your key to the world underground. Just look at the Vermeer Trencher, the perfect tool for those who are ready to change the landscape with intelligence and efficiency. Whether you're laying utility lines, installing pipes, or creating drainage systems, this mighty trencher digs its way through the toughest soils. By the way, all of this company's trencher models are unique, each with control features ready to make your work more productive. Turning millions of obsolete vehicles into usable materials requires not only time and effort, but also advanced technology. The Kobelco SK140 SRD7 is the pinnacle of automotive recycling engineering, offering a solution that combines innovative design and high performance. Utilizing Kobelco Performance X design principles, this excavator sets new standards in ergonomics and efficiency, making recycling faster, easier, and more cost-effective. With its advanced design and powerful capabilities, the machine doesn't just handle waste, it turns the challenges of recycling into opportunities for sustainability, confirming its role as an indispensable element in modern materials recycling. Felbermayr once again confirmed its status as a leader in engineering solutions by successfully transporting a 240-foot-long, 530-ton bridge. This ambitious project was carried out using innovative technology. The bridge was lifted 13 feet using a hydraulic jack and a robust stacking system for subsequent loading onto a specialized self-propelled vehicle. Felbermayr's achievements on this project underscore their ability to meet the toughest challenges in the transportation and installation of large structures, demonstrating exceptional craftsmanship and an innovative approach to every detail of the process. Have you ever wondered how huge ships end up on land? The marine travel lift A20C at De Haas Shipyard BV in Rotterdam, Netherlands, makes it easy. With its 820-ton lifting capacity and 49-foot lift height, this monster can lift the largest ships like children's toys. What about its 82-foot length and powerful engine that make this hoist a true master of maneuvers? The hydraulic control system ensures precise and smooth movements to avoid even the slightest damage. Meet the Amatis Long Reach, not your average mower. With a reach of up to 19 feet, it will make even the most impassable areas capitulate to its onslaught. This highly technical new product can cut everything from weeds to young trees, up to 5.5 inches thick. But the best part here is its hydraulic system with overload protection. How much time do you think you'd spend doing the same thing with a regular mower? That's right, a lot. And with a long reach, it's a cinch. The Liber Mobile Bachmann MK140 is a crane that literally changes the horizons on the construction site. This mobile construction crane not only stands out for its power, but also for its amazing flexibility. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and a lifting height up to 94.4 meters, the MK140 is ideal for working in the confined spaces of urban environments. But the real trick is its compactness and speed of installation. Who'd have thought that such a giant could be incredibly mobile? The Dicey L4700 is truly, simply an incredible construction mixer that is ready for any challenge on the construction site. This powerful mixer will make preparing concrete or any mortar easier than brewing coffee in the morning. Not only will it help save you time, but it will also make sure that every batch of mix is perfectly homogeneous. Just imagine it pouring in the necessary components and effortlessly stirring them in its capacious drum container. Why split firewood the old-fashioned way when you can use the Narva H60 Holcomb and turn the job into a spectacle? This wood splitter not only reduces time and effort, but makes the process spectacular. With powerful hydraulics capable of generating tremendous pressure, the Narva H60 handles logs like a professional wrestler against an opponent. Use it in production or commercial applications, and watch as it effortlessly transforms timber into manageable firewood.
If you're fascinated by the sheer power of heavy equipment and the marvels of modern engineering, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's explore the frontiers of technology together and discover the awe-inspiring innovations that
Step into the future with Mega Technology. We're here to showcase the remarkable world of heavy equipment, ingenious inventions, and the forefront of modern technology.
The K-Tech Model 1228